Guten Abend, comrades. Here we have some new volunteers for the Liebstandard. And we're pulling him in from all over Europe because we're losing a lot of men on the Russian front. Oh, damn those Ruskies. Anyway, let's have a look at who we've got here. Oh, Anglo-Saxon, American, Englisher. Very good. You make good soldiers. Excellent, excellent. Pig, oh, I don't know. But we'll come back to you later. Polar bear, yes. I see you're a good white person with good, pure genes. You're perfect for the Waffen-SS. But we'll have to stop drinking that Coke. Oh no, what's this on the end here? Huh? Smells like Untermenschen. Are you Juden? Yes. You can't join the Waffen-SS. This is ridiculous. All right. Off to Dachau. One less. We'll have to find some more new recruits. Everyone, ready? Sieg Heil! Sieg Heil! Sieg Heil! Das ist gut.